In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed any widget in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to place live, interactive content like clocks, weather, countdowns, calendars, or charts right inside your Notion pages, so everything you need lives in one tidy workspace. Start by going to the spot in your Notion page where you want the widget to appear. With your cursor there, type the / followed by the word Embed, then press Enter. This is Notion's quick command for creating an embed block, and it tells Notion you're about to insert content from the web. When you press Enter, Notion will instantly add an empty embed placeholder and show you a text field that asks for a link. That text field is where you'll provide the widget's URL. In most cases, the widget provider gives you a public link, often the same link you'd open in a browser to view the widget. Copy that full, secure URL and make sure it starts with HTTPS. Then paste it into the field and press Enter. Notion will fetch the content and display it right on the page. You'll see the widget render in place, and it should be live and interactive from the moment it loads. If the widget doesn't appear after a moment, it usually comes down to the link or the provider. Some services require a specific public link rather than a private or edit link. Others might not allow embedding at all, or they only work over secure connections. Double check that you're using the correct shareable URL. If Notion shows a message saying the link isn't supported, that's a sign the provider may not allow embedding, and you may need a different share link from that service. Also, keep in mind that certain content can take a few seconds to load, especially if it pulls data from the web. Once the widget loads, you'll notice it sits inside your page just like any other block, and it stays in sync with its source. That means if the widget updates on the provider's side, your Notion embed will reflect those changes automatically. If you move your Notion blocks around later, the embed will move with your content, so you can keep your layout organized without extra work. And that's it. Type /embed and press Enter, paste your widget URL into the field, press Enter again, and you're done. It's a quick, reliable way to bring live, useful tools into your notes, dashboards, and project hubs, so your information stays centralized and easy to use.